Namaskar. Welcome back to Sitar By The Haldi. I am Samarendra Mondal. In our previous lesson, we learned how to sit correctly with the sitar. A comfortable sitting posture is the foundation of good playing. Today, we will learn another very important topic: how to wear a Mizrab correctly and how to place both the hands on the sitar. Many beginners believe that beautiful music comes from fast fingers. Actually, beautiful music begins with the correct technique. A properly worn Mizrab and correct hand position will help you produce a clear sound, improve your control, and prevent unnecessary tension while practicing. Let's begin. What is a Mizrab? A Mizrab is a small metal plectrum worn on the index finger of the right hand. It is through the Mizrab that will produce the sound of the sitar. If the Mizrab worn correctly, even a good player will struggle to produce a clean tone. Now, next question is how to wear the Mizrab. Take the Mizrab in your hand, slightly in gentle onto the index finger of your right hand. The pointed tip should face towards the nail. It should fit comfortably. Not too tight, not too loose. If it is too loose, it may slip while playing. If it is too tight, it may become uncomfortable during long practice session. Take a few moments to adjust until it feels natural. Now, right hand position will be not. Let's look at the right hand. Keep your wrist relaxed. Do not bend it excessively. Allow your hand to rest naturally near the main playing strings. That is the main playing strings. The movement should come from relaxed finger and wrist, not from the whole arm. Avoid unnecessary tension. A relaxed hand produces a better tone and allows you to practice comfortably for longer period. Now, the question is, how can we put the left hand? Now, let's look at the left hand. Place your thumb comfortably behind the sitar. Do not grip the neck tightly. Do not grip the neck very tightly. It is very smooth. The thumb acts as a support rather than clamp. Cover your fingers naturally. Bring the fingertips onto the strings gently. Avoid flattering your fingers. Don't do that. A carved finger position gives you better control and prepares you for future techniques such as Maihar Gharana. That is Maihar. That is Gamak. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your elbow comfortable. Common beginners do some mistakes. Let's look at a few common mistakes. Some of the students wear the Mizrab too tightly. Hold the sitar neck excessive force, keeping the wrist stiff, lifting the shoulders while playing. Trying to play with speed before developing proper control. It is a wrong approach. Always remember, good technique is always more important than speed. Speed comes naturally with correct practice. Now, time to give you an exercise for practicing. For today's practice, do not worry about playing a rag. Simply wear the Mizrab correctly. Sit comfortably. Place both hands correctly. Then gently strike the main string several times. While observing your hand position. Practice this for 10 to 15 minutes every day. The goal is comfort, control, and a beautiful tone. Every great sitar player build their music on strong fundamentals. Never underestimate these basic lessons. They may seem simple, but they will support everything you learn in the future. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Sitar by the Haldi, and let me know your questions in the comments. In our next lesson, we will learn how to produce your first clean sound on the sitar using the da stroke. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.